Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can remove the VPN on your iPhone. So firstly, we need to download the VPN to show you how you can actually turn on the VPN, and then we can turn it off. There's many apps you can download from here to access the VPN. I'm not recommending any app to you. As for the video, I'm just downloading this app for a VPN to show you how you can turn it on and turn it off. There are buttons within the app, a third-party app, which you can turn on and off, and there's another way where you can turn off the VPN through your settings. So firstly, we will download the app, and then I will show you how you can turn off from an indirect and direct method to turn off your VPN completely on your iPhone in iOS 18.3.1 or 2. So our app is just downloaded. Let's open it up. They might be show you some ads as well. It's a free, just like this, it's a free ad. So I will proceed with ads, and okay, now it's set up. I am just connecting to a VPN, and as you can see that it is asking my passcode. Ad will come up. And as you can see, okay, now I am connected to a France VPN, and to see that I need to go to the settings, and under the settings, as you can see that it is already connected to a server. From where I go to this location is you need to go to the settings from the start, settings, and then you need to go to the general option here. And after going to the general option, swipe up, and you see that there is VPN and device management option. Tap on it, and you can see that there is a VPN connected. Tap on it, and here you can turn it off from an indirect method. The VPN will be disabled. Okay, so you can turn it off from here, or the another way to turn it off is go to the app which we have downloaded, and we can turn it off from here as well. Okay, so I have turned it off from here as well. So there are two ways you can disconnect your VPN. This is the one you can keep on it and use your phone like without VPN and turn it off from the settings. So that's how you can actually turn off the VPN from two ways around your phone. And I hope this video helping out in turning off the VPN settings. Thank you for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.